Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am so happy to tell you about these beautiful canvas shoes from Uoidru shoes. My favorite thing about them is how versatile they are. I can wear these shoes with so many different outfits, whether I'm wearing a skirt or pants, jeans or shorts. These shoes are going to look cute and casual. I love how they come in so many different styles and sizes from 5.5 to 11, so you're sure to find some that'll match you perfectly. Not only are they cute and versatile, but they are also very comfortable. I've worn them with socks and without socks. I've worn them for a couple hours up to the whole day, and my feet were comfortable the entire time. I'm also impressed by their durability. I have a teenage daughter who wears the same size shoes I do, and between the two of us, we wear these shoes a lot, and the stitching is still strong, and the soles on both the inside and the outside are still looking great. So if you're in the market for a pair of adorable, versatile, and comfortable shoes, then you can't go wrong with these. And that's my point of view.